Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video I'm going to talk to you about the Baker Act and what is the true cost of not fighting to get out. So we are, as is usual in our office, fielding 3, 4, 5, 6 calls a day from people who have been illegally detained. A lot of those folks retain us to get them out, but some people say, nah, I'm just going to wait and see what happens. And do some of those people get out? I mean, eventually they do. Some of those people, unfortunately, end up in a state hospital, or they get stuck in the facility they're at for the next month, 2 months, 3 months, whatever it happens to be. And so the question I have for you, if you're a family who has a loved one that's detained, is what's the true cost? What's the real cost of not fighting to get out? Does your loved one have a job that helps them to put food on the table, and they're going to lose that job? Does your loved one receive benefits that if they get sent to a state hospital, they're going to lose? If they're responsible for paying their rent and they lose their job, does that mean they lose their home? What about their car? The electricity? Do they have a pet at home that somebody's responsible for taking care of? Do they have family members like elderly parents that they're responsible for taking care of? And if they're not around, who's taking care of the pet? Who's taking care of the elderly parents? What about the job? I mean, all of these things. So when you are looking at, what is the risk? Well, the risk of not doing something is, number one, you get locked up for a significant period of time. But look at all of the things that happen as a consequence of not fighting to get out. I mean, I get calls all day long from people who lost their job, they lost their home, they lost their car, all kinds of crazy things as a result of getting stuck for an extended period of time. And for whatever reason, they decided, well, I'm just going to wait it out. Well, the cost of waiting it out can sometimes be severe. And so my advice to you is, if you have a loved one who is detained, and this is the advice I give everybody, and I've said it in pretty much every video I've done, is that you shouldn't wait to try and get out. You need to fight immediately. You cannot wait, because once the state has you, nobody even knows you're there. And so the time to fight is now. So just wanted to share that with you. I appreciate you tuning in. I'd love a thumbs up and a subscription to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.